Hello beautiful, thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use my new advanced exfoliating cleanser. Oh, it is so yummy and so good. So I've been using this with great success every single night, but my skin is a little bit more hardcore. I would ask that you follow the instructions on the back of the bottle until your skin becomes acclimated, which takes about 2 to 3 weeks. If you feel more advanced and hardcore, feel free to trust yourself and know what works best for you, meaning if you want to use it every day or every other day. I would ask that you do not use it twice a day unless this is your main exfoliant and you're not using many other exfoliants or you're very hardcore, thick, and oily. So I have a little powder and tint on right now. I'm going to use 2 pumps, and right away you're going to feel the kind of tingle sensation on your skin, which means that it's dissolving the oil and the dirt and breaking up the intercellular cement of your skin so that it just is glowing and gorgeous. The foam is more luxurious now, and but it does kind of dissolve, especially if you have a little makeup or powder on. So you need to figure out if you need to do a double cleanse or if you need to get your makeup off first and then use it. But I did make it so that it could cut through a lot of makeup, but a lot of makeup nowadays is like glue. So you need to know what works best for you in your cleaning process. So even though the foam dissolves, you're still getting that acid on the skin, which is breaking up, like I said, that intercellular cement. So know that it's still working, but I like to have it a little bit more foamy. And I sit here and I focus on the areas that I'm really trying to work on, like my forehead. I have a little pigmentation and fine lines. Alpha hydroxy acid's great because it also helps with collagen stimulation, much like vitamin A. If you're dealing with breakouts, like let's say down here, you can spend a little bit more time on that area. What this will do is it'll start to kind of dissolve that oil and allow that oil not to get trapped in the skin, allowing it to come up and out and onto the skin instead of getting clogged somewhere in the follicle. So you can get your neck. I have a little shirt on, so I'm not going to do that right now. And I'm going to rinse my skin real quick. Alright, so I rinse my skin. Obviously you would just rinse it in a sink or use whatever it is that you use to get the cleanser off. I did shave today, so it's feeling a lot more active than it normally would, which I didn't plan, so but it's fine. And you can just continue the rinse if you still feel like it's active on the skin. But I'm just so excited for you to use this and to experience like a little facial in a bottle. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you so much for all of your love and support, and I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye.